8 years, thousands of traders, more than 150 countries, and one mission: to help ordinary people develop an extraordinary skill, the ability to trade the financial markets consistently and profitably. But over the last year, we've been quietly building something. And on August the 28th, we're finally ready to show you.
We've completely rebuilt Tier 1 trading from the ground up.
Brand new platform, a completely redesigned trader development journey, a new mobile app, a world-class trading community, live coaching, accountability, progress tracking, and some of the most powerful trading tools that we've ever created, including Performance OS, a complete backtesting, optimization, journaling, and performance system designed to help you stop guessing and start making decisions based on data. But here's the thing. This launch event isn't going to be some 2-hour sales pitch. We're actually going to teach.
We're putting together a special live trading event where we're going to break down the fundamental principles that separate traders who continually struggle
from those who eventually become consistently profitable. We're going to show you how to build a genuine trading edge, how to test whether that edge actually works, and then how to manage risk, how to develop confidence through experience rather than hope, and then how to build the processes and the habits and the routines required to execute that consistently. And throughout the training, we're going to show you how we've built the new Tier 1 trading ecosystem around those exact principles. So even if you never spend a penny with us, you will leave the event better and a more informed trader than when you arrived. That's my promise to you. This is the biggest evolution of Tier 1 trading since we launched in 2018. We've taken everything we've learned from our own trading, from coaching thousands of traders, from seeing why people succeed, and more importantly, why people fail. And we've used it to build what we believe is one of the most complete environments for trader development we've ever seen. Education, tools, data, coaching, community, accountability, performance, all in one place. So if you've been trying to learn trading, if you've been stuck jumping between strategies, if you're frustrated because you know what you were supposed to do but can't seem to execute it consistently, or maybe you're approaching your 40s or 50s and you're thinking, I don't want my income, my freedom, and my future to depend entirely on the career for the next 20 years, then I want you at this event. Because trading isn't about getting rich quickly, it's about developing a skill that can give you another option, another potential source of income, and ultimately more control over your time. On August the 28th, the doors open officially, but the launch event is where it all begins. So if you want to be there, get your name on the list now, click the link below, register your interest, and we'll send you everything you need to join us. 8 years of Tier 1 trading have led to this. A new platform, new technology, new tools, a completely new experience. But the same mission we've had since day one, to build better traders. Akil and I cannot wait to show you what we've been working on. August the 28th, we'll see you there.